If you're a small business owner trying to market your business, you need to know that first-person storytelling has become the most powerful form of marketing. I'm Russell Cullingworth, the CEO of Prodeo, and I'm proud to announce a new product called Founders Untold, which is Founders Untold Stories, an audiobook, print book, and a digital audio asset. So you might think this is like a podcast of founders telling their story, but no, it's not like that. It's a scripted, crafted, and sound designed story of your untold experience and who you are as a founder and why you are who you are and why you're doing what you're doing. So we have three streams. We have creators, for people who create something new. We have couples, for couples who are working together. And we have causes, for nonprofit and charitable organizations. If this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to be part of an audiobook telling your unique founder story, take a look at foundersuntold.com. My personal story is there as a demo. You can take a listen and see what I'm talking about. So hope you'll take a look, foundersuntold.com.